How to order catering online in Jimmy John's website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then go to jimmyjones.com. You can see catering option right at the top left. Just tap on it and then you can see order catering option. So, you can just tap on it and you'll need to put in your delivery or your pickup address. So if you want delivery, you need to put in your street address, apartment, building, city, zip code, and delivery instructions. And if you want to do pickup, you will need to put in the city or state that's near your area, and you can choose the store and then order from here. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.